Hey everyone, welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we will tackle a common issue, problems with Instagram invitations. If you have been struggling with invitations not being sent or received, don't worry, we have got some solutions for you, so let's get started. Step number 1, check your internet connection. The first thing to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a poor connection can prevent invitations from being sent or received. Step number 2, update your Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Outdated versions can sometimes cause issues. For this, go to your Play Store, search for Instagram, and check for any updates. Step number 3, restart your device. Sometimes a simple device restart can solve connectivity issues. Give it a try to see if it helps. Step number 4, verify your account settings. Check your account settings, specifically the private account settings. If your account is set to private, you might need to approve followers before they can see your invitations. Step number 5, clear cache and data. If you are on an Android device, clearing the cache and data for the Instagram app can help resolve invitation issues. For this, go to your settings, then apps, manage apps, search for Instagram, and down in bottom you can see clear data, and there you can clear cache and clear all data. Click on clear cache. And finally, step number 6, reinstall the Instagram app. If all else fails, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Instagram app. And there you have it. These are some steps you can try to resolve Instagram invitation problems. Keep in mind that technology can sometimes be finicky, but these tips should help you get back on track. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.